Well, hello there. And what you hear in the background is the silver duct. And I have to admit, as much as it is a bit of an eyesore, it's been incredibly useful in this tiny space. It's early morning and it was about -5 degrees. And it was cold. I didn't have my diesel heater on, and I turned it on, and in a couple of minutes, completely super toasty. So I guess the next step for me right now is to figure out a way so that I can create a little more elegance in how this sort of operates. One of the good things about it is that when you have this silver duct here, it does give off some radiant heat. So if you have some gloves that are damp or maybe even wet, you can just put it on top and then it dries off very quickly. And at this end here, you could direct it straight to whatever it is you want to dry. In my case, after trail running, I direct it to my shoes or my gear or anything that needs to be dried, and it's actually been incredibly useful. So quite happy about that. And as an aside, this look right now is my Minivan Campervan conversion on a budget build, and it's partially complete. I always mention it because I know the wires freak people out, and that's okay, but it's all cool. So anyway, here, notice here, I want to see if I can, I've got my collection of jams here, and the other day I picked up some new jams, as in blueberry jam rather, and I was quite happy about that. Anyway guys, have a great week, have a great day. Make the best of it. Take it easy. And you know what else? I almost forgot to ask. Like, if you like some of this stuff, please upvote it, like it, thumbs up it. And if you want to see some more, subscribe. There are notifications that come on. There might be some information here. And I'm going to try to share as much as I can so that you could also build up your own minivan camper, whether it's for part-time or even full-time van life. I think this is one of the cool things about how this thing is turning out. It's helped me a lot, I know personally, just on a sheer escape pod level and being able to. Anyway, sorry about that. I essentially ran out of space again, and that's not very helpful. So at some point I will be picking up a new SD card so that when I make my videos, I don't all of a sudden run out of space. Anyway, I was just saying that it has helped me on an escape pod level where, when I just want to take off, I'm ready to go. Basically, I just take off and park somewhere or travel somewhere, and it's, I'm in my own little comfort zone or my little lounge area, and there's something really cool about that, especially when it's snowing. It's nice and cozy in here. I get to make hot chocolate with my silver duct. Dun, 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 dun. Okay guys, bye-bye. For real now. I just boiled some water and I'm going to do the pour, which is one of my most favorite parts of the day, just watching all that luscious coffee. And there you have it. Please support my channel by commenting and subscribing. It's free and it can help you with your own tiny home build, as I will be giving out free tips and tricks on how you can make it happen. And if you believe someone else may benefit, please share the video of my curated playlist.